Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include navigation system, sun moonroof, hands-free Bluetooth integration, third row seating. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2014 Suburban 1500. The Chevy Suburban 1500 hauls more passengers and cargo than anything in its segment, a fact not overlooked by those who need such convenience or capability, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, quad seating, running boards, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering. Your new ride is just a phone call away.